Hello and welcome to part 3 of the exhaust side pipe. Sorry, I'm filming this after actually doing the video for number 3. It's been a palaver. But yeah, welcome to number 3, blah blah blah, part 3. Yeah, let's get to it, shall we? Okay, this is what I've got so far. I had to move the brackets in, so I've just put more on there. Still using that piece of the old jack. I've made these brackets on here. So, and what I've done is I welded a nut onto the inside of here, and I've sandwiched pieces of rubber between that. So when it's bolted to the back of the van, it's not going to vibrate. The exhaust is not going to vibrate on the van. Fingers crossed. Anyway. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. I've got the brackets made up and this is going to go under the van. So yes, let's get to it, and now I've got to measure it up and make sure I get it in the right place and get it hanging where I want it and get it in the middle and all this bollocks. So right, let's get to it. Okay, we've got it up, kind of bolted up but not bolted up properly yet. This has been a faff. I'm telling you, I've got one side that on there. So I've still got the old exhaust still attached, just in case it went wrong. I didn't want to mess around with it. Now I've got to remove the old exhaust. Still waiting for the long pipe to arrive to attach it, but let's step back a bit. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, this is where we're up to now. This is the inside of the side pipe with the with this removed, with the heat shield removed. Okay, and what I've done here is, it's hard to try and find parts the same. I've got a longer one here, a shorter one there. Anyway, that doesn't matter. I've got a joiner here. Because I had to get this in stainless steel, and I've never welded stainless steel before, I've had to use joiners instead of welding it. But it doesn't matter. It gives me the movement I need for what I want to do with it. So yeah, this is going to be the connector pipe, which goes to the underneath the car. These are, I'm trying to figure out which way around I've got it now. So I think that will... Yes, that goes that way. That goes that way. Then I put the other pipes on here, that are going to go that way. You get the idea now what I'm building here. So the exhaust comes in there and comes out of these and that end. And I'll show you the tips I've got for this in a minute as well. But for now, let's see if I can get this back together and put the clamps on as well. See what I'm working with here. Okay, I've now just fabricated, I've now just got the centerpiece. I ordered a piece of pipe with swaged end, but I also bought a separate swaged end that was that long. I've now welded it on. Do you know what? My welding's getting better. Look at that. My welding's getting better. So that is the swaged both ends, and that is going to go from the front of the van straight down the middle of the van to the thing I'm building at the back. So let's get on, make a couple of slits in this end, and then get it on the van. Okay, let me show you what I'm working with here. This is now bolted firmly in place, and under here we've got the pipe that runs all the way down the length of the van into it here. So it comes out of there, runs all the way down the length of the van to the front, with one muffler down there. Oh god, I'm knackered. So the hard part is all done. The exhaust is on. All I have to do now is attach my end pieces and the tips. The fun part, oh god, I've got to get up. The fun part is now attaching these with the tips. I've got to trim this off a bit, I think. Get that up there. Oh, yes, bit of trimming involved, I think. Okay, and here we have the tips that I got for my birthday of my lovely girlfriend. Lovely tips they are, just the tip. And I've cut these in there to put these on, and then I'm going to go clamp them on. Just on this one. Let's go stick them on. These are the last finishing touches now. It's been a bit of a journey, this one, but I've got there. Well, it has been a bit of a palaver, but turn this off. But it's been all worth it. I'm not sure if this is going to pick this up on camera, right? But my new exhausts, right? When I get the revs up, check this out, hang on. I hope I can pick that up on camera. That is badass. Thanks for watching another video. I hope you liked it. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, share, all that jazz. Come on, people. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.